If you want to hide apps on a Nothing Phone 3, first of all, we need to go to the app drawer, and then we need to swipe to the right side like so. You will see this message introducing private space, so we want to press continue. We need to enter our screen lock password, and then we need to wait a couple of seconds in order to set up the private space. I have to once again enter the screen lock password, and then we need to choose a lock for our private space so we can set up a different password for hidden apps. So let's say I'm gonna choose a pattern. There we go. And then we can proceed by pressing next, enter the password again, and confirm your choice. Now we also have the option to set up the fingerprint sensor, but you can also just skip that for now. We can just go back. And there we go. We are all set. So now we can press done. And here we have our private apps, so we can press add over here in order to add an app to the private space and hide it, of course. So let's say I'm going to choose YouTube as an example. Just YouTube. Of course, then we can press edit in order to change apps that should be included in the private space. We can also remove apps from the private space and so on. All right, so once we have the app hidden, as you can see, YouTube now is gone from the app drawer, and we can swipe over here to the right side again and enter the password in order to find our hidden apps. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.